I want to build another bonsai display, which I'm going to use for my trees, obviously, which I have too many of, but also when we're going home, I want to not put them on the our lawn, because the trees will ruin the lawn and kill the grass underneath if you place it right on top of the lawn. So I need something to put the trees on while we're gone and while they're being watered by the watering system, the excess pipes for the excess water. So yes, that's it. That is it. I just made my first mistake in this project, not my first, but the major one. I made these holes for the balancing bamboos here, but as I figured, I changed it all because I wanted to be uneven. That's important in bonsai, that it's not perfectly even. So I removed the second platform a bit to the right, so there's more room on this side than on the other side, and therefore the two holes I made here in the bamboo are not lining up with the platform, so I have to change that. There's always hiccups in my projects. That's what you get. And it's done. I'm pretty proud of it. It's not the most stable thing, but again, we don't have to sit on it like the sunbed. So I think it will make my trees look very nice. And I have this one more bonsai corner. Stine is very excited for me. Not, but I'm excited. It's great. I came down here to build stuff, and that's what I'm doing. I love my life currently. So I'm just gonna try to film the organizing the last part, and that's it.